Hey, welcome back. If you've ever taken a portrait photo and wished you could make a few subtle adjustments, maybe refine facial features, smooth out some areas, or even get creative with artistic distortions, the Liquify tool in Photoshop is exactly what you need. It's one of those features that can take a good photo and make it even better, all while keeping it natural. Before we get into how to use it, let's make sure you have Photoshop installed. If you haven't downloaded it yet, a link in the description will take you directly to Adobe's official page. Rest assured, it's the safest way to get it, and it ensures you're using the latest version. Once you click the link, here's what to do next. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up only takes a minute. Look for Photoshop and select Free Trial to get started. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud app. It manages the installation for all Adobe software, including Photoshop. Let it install, then open Photoshop once it's ready. That's it, you're all set. Now that Photoshop is up and running, let's discuss the Liquify tool and how to use it to edit stunning portraits. Using the Liquify tool in Photoshop. This tool allows you to refine and reshape different areas of an image while keeping things natural. It's often used for subtle face enhancements or even creative effects. Open your portrait photo in Photoshop. Head to Filter greater than Liquify. This will open up a new workspace dedicated to Liquify adjustments. On the right, if Photoshop detects a face in your image, you'll see Face-Aware Liquify. This lets you adjust individual features like eyes, nose, lips, and jawline just by moving sliders. The Forward Warp tool is great for refining shapes with gentle brush strokes when making manual adjustments. With the ability to adjust the brush size and pressure, you have full control over how much of the image gets affected with each movement, empowering you to create the perfect edit. If you ever go too far, there's an undo option, or you can use the reconstruct tool to restore the original look bit by bit. Once you're happy with the results, hit OK and your changes will be applied. The key with Liquify is to make adjustments that look natural unless you're going for an artistic effect. If you haven't downloaded Photoshop yet, use the link in the description to get it. This ensures you have the latest version with all the newest features. And if you know someone who would find this tool useful, share this video with them. It's always great to pass along helpful tips to others who are getting into editing. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with Liquify, and I'll see you next time.